create accounting for invoice and payment. So now that we have processed the invoice as well as payment against that invoice, it's time to create accounting for both these documents. So let's go back to Oracle Fusion Cloud, and I'm going to show you how you can create the accounting. Alright, so there I am in Oracle Fusion Cloud in invoices. So go to manage invoices first, and let's pull out the invoice first, which is, I believe, by this number. Hit the search button. So that's the invoice. I'm going to open this invoice right from here, and then I'm going to go to actions, and then as you could see, you've got something called as account coding, and then at the bottom you have account in draft. So basically you've got to use this option account in draft, and by that the accounting will be initiated, and you will get the message accounting is complete. In order to view the accounting, you can see view accounting right from here, and you see these are the accounts just been generated, one invoice line and one freight line, and it is mapped to the liability accounts. When you make the payment, this liability will be reversed to cash or clearing account. Okay, you can view the T accounts right from here by clicking on this button, view T accounts. A little more details about the same accounting will be shown in T accounting right here. Okay, so feel free to explore this as per your leisure, and I'm going to hit the done button, come out of this. Now what I will do, I'm going to come out and let's see what is the payment number, 7191. So let's create accounting for the payment. So this is invoice workbench. I believe you don't have a view of the payments, so I'm going to go back to the navigator, and from navigator I'm going to go and I'm going to look for payables, or in fact you could have done it from here had there was any link to payables. We can add a link later to the Springboard. So anyway, go to payments, click on this one, okay, right here, and then from the task menu you look for manage payments, and from manage payments you search for the payment that we just processed, 7191. Hit the search button, and you see that was the payment. So you click on this hyperlink, and these are the payment details. Go to actions, and then you click on account in draft, and the same thing will happen. It will generate the accounting, you see, and you can view the accounting from here, and this time you will see that this account got reversed, which was earlier credit in liability, now it is debit liability, and a credit cash clearing account. Okay, you can view the T accounts right here in detail. So you see that details shown over here. Okay, so this is how you go about creating accounting for invoices and associated payments in Oracle Fusion Cloud Payables.